Today, I'm going to show you how to cook my squash and enjoy.
Hey, what we doing today, Pawpaw?
Squash, fried squash, with my carrots and my chopped up onion and my parsley. I gotta have parsley and everything. You put your olive oil in there. Let me move it around. See my onions and carrots all chopped up real fine?
Oh, that's beautiful.
All right. Then you put your parsley, and I gotta have my Tony sachet, which she don't have, so I'm gonna have to use.
This 83-year-old man's getting his Tonys.
Gotta have my seasoning.
Be careful.
Gotta have my seasoning.
That's beautiful.
You can't eat.
This squash is from your garden?
Yeah. This fire is turned real low. Basically, I'm gonna smother it. You put the onions and carrots in first. And if you look at the onions, they're already sauteing down. See them changing color?
Oh yeah, you had those in there for a while before you had the
Oh
squash.
yeah, but the fire is real low. See, there's no sizzle or anything. Just let it go. You have to watch it and turn it regular where it don't burn. And this was in the freezer. Fresh, I'd have it all in here at one time, letting it cook. But this way, out of the freezer, I'm just trying to melt it down and get it to working right.
Okay.
Watch. After you shake your good red pepper seasoning, Cajun season, you put the lid on it on a real low heat and just let it smother down. Pretty soon it'll be fitting in that skillet, and I'll turn it about every 3 or 4 minutes for about, I don't know, until the squash starts turning a little bit brown. When it does, kill it, you got it. Now that it's defrosted and simmered down into the skillet, I took the lid off. Notice the moisture. This was frozen squash from my garden. I turned the fire up. I'll let it simmer and reduce that water. Then I'll turn it back dead low and put the lid back on it and let it cook slow until it browns. If you notice the liquid, this was frozen. Fresh squash wouldn't have that much liquid. That's why I'm burning it up high and letting it evaporate, condense down. All right, now it's starting to cook down and turn brown. You keep turning it until it gets brown. And cook it down till it gets brown like that. That is good squash.
Ready to eat?
Yes, ready to eat. Happy 4th of July. For all you people working overtime, it's a tax-free day on overtime. Go for it. Good luck. God bless.